National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Pulaski County, Illinois, southern Massac County, Illinois, southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, Carlisle County, Kentucky, northwestern Richmond County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, McCracken County, Kentucky, northwestern Graves County, Kentucky, Mississippi County, Missouri, northeastern New Madrid County, Missouri, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Carnac to near Charleston to near Burney, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paducah, Metropolis, Charleston, East Point, Carroll, La Center, Bardwell, Wickliffe, Towasachi State Historic Site, Regan, Lone Oak, Brookport, Bertrand, Mounds, Barlow, Matthews, Mound City, Wyatt, Anniston, and Barkley Regional Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 17. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 37 and 38. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 10. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 3 and 21. Interstate 55 between mile markers 50 and 64. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Mississippi, and New Madrid, and the following counties: in Illinois, The National Weather Service